Quakers! Today is Friday. It is October the 9th and a great day to be a Charger. Please stand for the flag salute. Ready? Salute. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated. Next week is our Kahoot game. Wednesday will be the day it will take place between our AM and PM classes. Good times had by all. On Friday, that would be today, we wear pink. And thank you very much, Mrs. Jorgensen, Mrs. Isaac, Mrs. Thomas, and Mrs. Vance for taking part here in the office. You're getting some spirit points too. Don't forget to make sure you get your spirit points from your 7th period teacher. Do you want to be in the yearbook? Do not ignore your emails that you get from the yearbook staff. It's your opportunity to get your picks in the pages, especially for special events, sports, and hobbies. We're hoping to get you in there at least 3 times. So again, don't skip out on those opportunities. And our thought for the week is on ambition. Ambition is the first step to success. The second is action. We have ourselves only 3 weeks left until the end of the marking period. So now is the time to really dig in. You've gotten your report cards. Some of you have gotten phone calls from us, but let's make sure that we are doing everything we can to really show what we know and work to our very best ability. That's it for the day's bulletin. We are Chargers with Heart. We are honest, effective, ambitious, respectful, and thoughtful. So remember, people, wherever you go, whatever you do, be a Charger with Heart. Have a great day.